With the Driftwood Finish and our nice design, these doors are going to pop. Wait till you see them on the side of this house. As we come around to the side of the house, we see the two big Kristine doors. We've got the Driftwood Finish, one of the classics. We do this one so much. I love it. Cool colors. And then we've got the Anais finish, which is very classic. You got these vertical slats, and then the windows up top bring it all together. I love how simple and timeless this look is. Make sure you don't miss us in the rest of the parade homes.